All right, guys. So we're about taking this phone out for a test drive. We're taking the Pixel 6 Pro. We're gonna head outside. We had a little bit of snow yesterday, so we're thinking that the weather is gonna be really. I mean, we're gonna have some beautiful scenarios out in our neighborhood and try and see if we can get some nice outdoor scenic pictures while before the snow melts. So come with us and let's find out. Now, right now we're using the 11.1 megapixel, the front 11.1 megapixel camera to record this video. So come with us and yeah, let's go and check out this awesome camera. All right, let's go. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today we will be taking the Pixel 6 Pro on a test drive. We're gonna do a lot of photographic shots today, and we're gonna see how well-rounded this phone is in terms of being an awesome phone for taking pictures and videos. We're gonna test out the cameras. We're gonna try out all the action mode, the long exposure mode. We're also gonna try out the the different cameras on this thing, the 50, the 48 telephoto. We're gonna try out the 12 megapixel on the rear as well. I think we're gonna see how amazing this phone could be. We're also gonna try and see if we can use some of the AI features on this phone as well, like the panorama. We're gonna see how that works. We're gonna see some of the other shots and see, right now we don't have any other person here taking pictures for us. So we have the phone on a tripod stand. So we're gonna try and get shots of both of us together and see if we can use the Google command to get it to take pictures. Hey Google, take a picture. wraps up our review of the all new Pixel 6 Pro. We've tried it out during the daytime and it was amazing. And now we've come out here at night in the middle of the park to kind of try out the night mode as well. And it is pretty much amazing as well. And you can see there's pretty much no light in this area, and this is able to kind of light us up with the phone itself without any additional light. And yeah, I think I like the phone, but some people are saying that the iPhone 13 Pro is better. So I might actually consider picking up the iPhone 13 Pro and see if it stacks up with or against this, kind of beats this phone. But even if if at the price point you're coming in at this phone, I think you can't really go wrong. If you're gonna get the iPhone 13 Pro, you're gonna have to spend a little bit more, actually a lot more compared to this phone. So I think the price point of this phone justifies what you're getting. So without a doubt, I wouldn't even think twice to, if you are thinking of getting this phone, don't even think twice, just get it. It's amazing. It won't let you down, I can guarantee that. So thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.